Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, today I just bought a Broadlink LED strip light for TVs, room decor and more. Actually, this one is a strip light to decor your house, your interior house. Okay, this one is from works with Broadlink apps. So afterward, I will show you how to connect it with the Broadlink apps. Okay, at the side of the box, there is a LED strip light for TVs, room decor and more. Okay, at the top, there is a Broadlink. Bottom here, Broadlink International for more promotions and support. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok. Okay. Okay, at the other sides, apps control, universal remote required. Okay, flexible length, DIY, cuttable, USB powered, and it has 16 colors changeable. At the back here, LED strip light. The spec, the length is 3 feet, about 9.8 feet. Protection rating is IP20. You need to say it can repel water. Not to say repel, water resistant. Okay. Power supply is 5 volt, 1 ampere, color 16 colors plus white. Remote control, okay, via remote or apps. Okay, separate universal remote is required. Okay, working temperature is around -10 degrees Celsius until 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, the package contain LED strips and adhesive backing, USB driver and remote control. This one, if you want to use your smartphone as a remote or voice control, you can download it and install the Broadlink app. Set up the universal remote in app, and then you add LED strip light in universal remote and choose Broadlink brand for app control, and you can enable Broadlink skill in Alexa. Okay, Google Home for voice control, and you need to buy the universal remote. Okay. Okay, Google and Android are a trademark of Google LLC, and this one is the language and countries. Okay, Amazon, Alexa, and all related logos are trademark of Amazon.com. This one is a product from China, Benjiang, China. Barcode here. Okay, now it's time to open this box. Okay, I have opened it. It has the LED strip, okay, around 3 meters long. What is inside? It has the manual, how to install this LED strip light. Okay, this is the guide here. Put it here first, then it has this LED driver. The LED controller to connect it with the connector here. And last one is the LED remote, including the battery. Okay, nothing left. Okay, I'll show you how to connect it first. Okay, first of all, you have to remove the plastic film from this remote. Okay, there's a plastic film here. You need to take it out, okay, because it has a battery inside here. Okay, done. And then you need to connect the controller positive electrode with light strip. Positive with positive. Okay, you need to see it carefully. So this is the positive here. The negative is over here, so this one is the positive. You need to connect. It shows you that with the arrow symbol. Okay, symbol arrow here. So this one has an arrow symbol here. Okay, you need to connect it with the positive. Okay, this one is positive over here. Okay, this one is positive. So you need to connect it with the arrow over here. Okay, connect it. Okay, Okay, you can make it. Okay, already connected, huh? Okay, afterwards you need to clean all the surface and dry it entirely. Tear off the adhesive or to place it on. Okay, you need to roll over all this LED strip and fix it. The clip on the corner mount and strip on to avoid falling off. Okay, that's my TV is over here, so I need to separate it into two section. Okay, so this one is the center of the TV. Okay, you need to put it here and pass it with this double tap here. Okay, by the way, you need to know where is the LED point at the back of your TV. So this TV is on the left side, so you need to put the left side over here to connect it at the back here. Okay, the LED is over there. Okay, the back. Okay, I will peel it off like this. Peel this double tap here. So we just pass it at the back here of the TV. Okay, just pass it here. Okay, like this. Okay, pass like that and bring it up here. Okay. The adhesive is too strong. Okay, at the side of the TV. Okay, until it up there and finally at the back there. Okay, guys, this is the look like of the LED strip when I pass it at the back of my TV. Okay, the 3 meter is nice, just nice for the 60-inch television. Okay, at the back here, as you can see here. Okay, at the top. Okay, the side, at this side. Okay, just put it like that. And lastly, you need to connect it to the USB hub at the back of your TV. It's over here. Okay, the LED, the USB to the USB here. Okay, now the moment of truth, you want to test it. Okay, first of all, switch on your TV and it's automatically, guys, see the color is in red in color. So maybe you need to more focus with the LED, the center one. It seems that the color is more to the right side there. Here, over here. Okay. So now we want to change the color. Green. Green. Okay. Green color. Blue. Blue. The orange one, light green. This one I think cyan. You also can make it flashing like that, or you want to make it strobe. This one is strobe. You want to make it fade. So this fade, slowly change color. Okay, or you want to make it smooth. So it's smooth, and you can increase or decrease the brightness of the LED light. Okay, I want to decrease it, maybe too bright. Okay, white. This one is strobe, I think. Switch it off. on. Okay guys, this is final look of the LED strip backlight of your TV. So it seems that I'm very satisfied with this LED strip, and it is cheapable, cheap and durable. Okay, easy to decor your house. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.